Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. The price line at Polygon has again dropped at the support of a big rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break it down or we can have a powerful reversal from here. And I also want to share the next expected target about the Polygon MATIC with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly live time frame chart. And before this, let me to recall this pattern, because this is quite connected with the current analysis. This was a big triangle, ascending triangle, that I shared for my members at the Patreon on November 10th, and it was formed on the weekly time frame. Now you can see our first target was $2.43 and the second target was $2.85. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has rallied well, and it has rallied up to $2.92. That was a big move, and now it is moving down. Now if we switch to this weekly time frame chart again, then we can see that the price line is still retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. This was the resistance, in fact, that the price line is about to retest, or almost retesting, you can see here. And we also have this exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame as a working as a nice support. And we also have the support of the rising wedge pattern. We have three supports. One is the EMA 21, and other one is this one, the support, the previous resistance of the triangle that is now working as a support. And third is this support of a big rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, in presence of these three supports, there is a very high probability for a big reversal move from here. Now, if the price line reaches here at the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, that will be approximately at $3.40. Now, let me to show you the target in case of breakout. Then, in case of breakout, our next imminent target after the breakout can be, and that move can be very, very fast. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, that can be more than $8, approximately $8.30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.